Is it possible to track playing cards while blindfolded? Well, the answer is no. And I'll show you why, okay? But before we begin, I need you to know that these cards are not bigger than one another or cut or smaller, that kind of thing. Make sure the corners, they're all flush, okay? Here we have, of course, the 4 aces. And we're going to lose them in different parts of the deck like this, okay? We're just going to leave them here, 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 and here, all right? So 4 aces in 4 different parts of the deck, and I'll show you why it's impossible to track playing cards while blindfolded. First and foremost, we're going to put on the blindfold, okay, like this, so we know it is impossible to cheat. Next thing we do is this, okay, the casino table wash. Now look at how this shuffle is, right? You are mixing the cards like this and you are taking some cards. Now you have no idea how many cards you take to throw them into the middle. Every single time you take the cards and throw them into the middle, you can't tell. So it's impossible to calculate or know how many cards did we take and how to control or how to track them, right? Okay. Now, unless you are like super lucky and then with one card you'll be able to find an ace, right? I mean, I can be real fancy and cut the cards with one hand into 3 packets and twist and turn them like this. But that's just luck, you know, and it's useless if you can do that. And the reason for that is very simple because, you know, in a real gambling situation, you have to shuffle the cards on the table like this and control any 2 cards that you want. All right, and then after that you have to stack them, meaning that you have to place some cards in between the 2 cards that you want. Say for example, this is the first one, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by the second one. Now you might be thinking to yourself, Jeremy, what if somebody cuts the cards after it's being shuffled? Well, then you're screwed, right? Think about it. Now, if you look very carefully, you will see that the cards are now buried somewhere in the middle, right? Unless, of course, you are me, then you know, you can just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then deal the next card like this, right? So yeah, it's just really, really impossible to track the 4 aces while blindfolded. It's, you know. So that's why I say never gamble with strangers. And of course, if you see me at your card table, run.